demand priority access method. As in carrier sense multiple access collision detection method, two computers using the demand priority access method can cause contention by transmitting at exactly the same time. However, with the demand priority, it is possible to implement a scheme in which certain types of data will be given priority if there is contention. So, demand priority if there is contention. لو في competition between two computers to send at the same time. If the hub or repeater receives the two requests at the same time, the highest priority request is serviced first. Okay, this is a priority. If the two requests are of the same priority, both requests are serviced by alternating between the two. In demand priority network, computers can receive and transmit at the same time because of the cabling scheme defined for this access method. In this method, 4 pairs of wires are used. 4 pairs of wires are used, such as twisted pair cables, which enables the quartet signaling, transmitting 25 megahertz signals on each of the pairs of wire in the cable. Demand priority offers several advantages over CSMA over CD اللي هي carrier sense multiple access collision detection, including the use of 4 pairs of wires. By using 4 pairs of wires, computers can transmit and receive at the same time. Transmissions through the hub. Transmissions are not broadcast to all the other computers on the network. The computers don't contend on their own for access to the cable, but operate under the centralized control of the hub. And thanks for listening.